The Organic Farmer magazine is an independent magazine for the Kenyan farming community. It promotes organic farming and supports discussions on all aspects of sustainable development. Through its initiative, the ITOF Information Centers were initiated. ITOF stands for Information and Input Center of the Organic Farmer magazine. It offers community-based, non-formal education, field-based learning by doing. The farmers can choose a topic from the bulk of 25 topics, horticulture, as well as animal husbandry or record keeping. The Mumenyi Organic Farmer Self-Help Group gather for a training on how to make plant extracts.
What do you understand by plant extracts?
Plant extract is prepared from the plants in our own farm.
It's where you use plants that is around you, farmers, to come up with broad spectrum solutions. But it is not aimed in killing. Rather, we are aiming to repel. Yeah. Because in organic farming, we don't encourage maybe killing. Yes.
Things to be learned are brought to the notice of the learners. Their interest is developed and desire aroused.
We need it in our plant extract because our crop need those essential nutrients. Our castor oil, it will solve the problem of nematodes, mice, termites, and also fungal diseases.
Do you use all of them or use the leaves only? Because it has got also
We use everything.
everything.
Yeah, seeds.
And flowers and whatever.
Yes.
So you mean we're cutting even the roots, you can use even the roots?
Yeah, even the root. We can also use together with the roots. Final product that we are going to see. If you apply it, our crops will have a defense mechanism that will be able to resist all this stress and shock. We have to go out and have a practical session.
The newspaper runs 3 information centers in Kenya: Central Kagio, Eastern Kagundo, and Western Kimilili.
We are putting the chopped materials to these buckets. We want to enrich our plant extract further.
EM1 solution is used for a fast decomposition and to help promote plant growth, especially when flowering. Molasses is also incorporated to provide a natural sugar in which the microorganism feeds on.
You pack it well and seal the container maybe properly. And again, you keep it in a dark and cool place. The product can go up to 6 months. Yeah, we don't encourage that. We want this process to be continuous.
After 7 days, the product is sieved and mixed with water, then sprayed to the plants.
You have to inspect your pump to make sure that it is clean, free from particles. Spraying directly to the leaves, we talk of ratio of 1 to 100. That is equivalent to 20 liters of water to 200 mils of plant extract. You have to start with the top, that way, and then you have to spray underside. Yeah, you should make sure that you are spraying thoroughly. You have to wash your leaves thoroughly.
Organic Farmer newspaper is sponsored by